What's up, tool fanatics? Welcome back to Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears, the podcast where the torque is tight, the gearheads unite, and Olsa Tools keeps your setup dialed in. Today, we've got a fresh drop you don't want to miss. We're talking about the brand new magnetic silicone buttons, and let me tell you, these little guys are total game changers for your workflow. So here's the scoop. These aren't your average magnets. We're talking strong, rare earth magnets wrapped in a durable, non-scratching silicone material. That means you can stick these buttons to any metallic surface without worrying about dings, damage, or scuffs. Your toolbox stays pretty, your tools stay put. What makes these buttons different? 2 words: two-sided magnets. Yeah, that's right. Stick the button to your toolbox, your lift, a cabinet, anywhere, and then slap your metallic hand tool right on top of it. Boom. Organized, clean, and right where you need it. Use them on the side of your toolbox to hang long wrenches, ratchets, pry bars, or get creative, stick them inside a toolbox drawer, and place tools parallel to the drawer surface. More space, more order, more efficiency. And the best part? These buttons are portable. Take a few with you to the job site or under the hood. No more setting tools on the floor. No more hunting through trays. These magnetic silicone buttons are all about flow and function. Each set comes with 10 buttons and you can grab them in black, blue, red, or green. So whether you want clean and classic or color-coded perfection, we've got you covered. Ready to level up your garage or mobile setup. Hit up olsatools.com and grab your set today. And don't forget, whether you're wrenching in the shop or in the field, Olsa Tools has your back. Until next time, keep it cool and greasy.